Students, today I am going to clarify your doubts from your NCERT Maths chapter 12, that is Heron's formula. So the question given is here, area of a triangle is equal to area of the parallelogram and the base of the triangle and parallelogram is same, that is 28 cm. And we have to find out the height of the parallelogram. So students, here I have drawn a triangle for you, triangle ABC, you can see, and AB is 26 cm, BC is 28 cm, and CA is 30 cm. And you see a parallelogram is drawn here, DBCE, okay, DBCF rather, DBCF is the parallelogram, and the base of the parallelogram is the base of the triangle, that is 28 cm. Students, what we have to do to find out the height of the parallelogram? First of all, we have to use two formulas. You use Heron's formula so that you can find out the area of the triangle. Next, you know how to find out the formula parallelogram area. You can use the formula. Question given, area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle, and already you can find out. So what is first to do? Using Heron's formula. Okay, what is Heron's formula, students? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square root. Okay, and what is S? Of triangle ABC. So what is the area of the triangle ABC? It is equal to 42S into S minus A, means 42 minus 26, into S minus B, that means 42 minus 28, into S minus C, that means 42 minus 30, and take the square root. Friends, the area of the triangle we have find out, and you see that is 336 cm square. Now what we have to do? Area of triangle ABC is equal to 336 cm square. Now you see, what is the formula for area of parallelogram? Do you know? That is base into altitude. Okay. We know that the formula for area of parallelogram is equal to base into altitude or base into height. It is given that the area of the triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. That means, as per the question, area of triangle is area of parallelogram. That means area of parallelogram is equal to 336 cm square. Okay, that means now 336 is equal to, that is base, 28 cm into height. So students, now you can find out the height. Height is equal to 336 by 28, that is 12 cm. So that is answer. So students, now we are solving another difficult problem. This figure ABCD is in the ABCD and here is EF. Okay, so this figure is in the form of a kite, and the kite is square shape as per the question. Diagonal is given 32 cm. So what are the diagonals? AC or BD diagonals 32 cm. And students, you know that the diagonals of a square, they bisect each other at right angles, isn't it? If it is ABCD, the upper part of the kite, it is given as a square. The diagonals of the square bisect each other at right angles. So AOD triangle is a right angle here. Okay, and you know that AO equal to CO, and also that is equal to DO equal to BO. Also, you know the two diagonals of a square are equal to each other, isn't it? Means SC would be equal to BD, since they are two diagonals of a square. Okay, diagonals of a square, isn't it? And since the diagonals of a square bisect each other, so AO equal to CO equal to DO equal to BO. And now you come to the triangle AOD. Okay, in triangle AOD, what do you see in triangle AOD? How to find out AD? You know, you apply Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? So hypotenuse square, this is hypotenuse, this is right angle triangle, so hypotenuse square equal to height square plus base square. So AD square will be equal to OD square plus AO square or how to find out AD? OD square plus AO square square root. So AD, students, is 16 into root 2 cm. This is 16 into root 2 cm. And you know, since this is square, so AB would be 16 into root 2. This is also 16 root 2 and this is also 16 root 2. And now we have to find out? We have to find out area of this part 1, this, then area of part 2, this, then area of part 3, this. So how to find out the area of part 1? You know that this is square, so this angle is right angle. So what is the formula? Apply the area of ABD, means part 1. I am writing here area of part 1 is equal to half into base 16 root 2, height is also 16 root 2. Okay, so that is root 2 it into 2 equal halves. So you see, students, area of part 2 means this part PDC, this part is equal to area of part 1 because diagonals of a square divides it into 2 equal halves. That means area of part 2 is also 256 cm square. Already we have found out area of part 1 and now we got area of part 2. Now we have to find out area of part 3. This small triangle, the base of the kite. And you see, one side is given 6 cm, this is also 6 cm, this is given 8 cm. So what is the semi-perimeter? 6 plus 6 plus 8 by 2, that is 10 cm. 10 cm is the semi-perimeter. I hope you understand. Now, using Heron's formula, the area will be S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus B root over. That means S is 10, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6 and 10 minus 8. So that is 10 into 4 into 4 into 2 square root. So you factorize it, 2 into 5 into 4 into 4 into 2, or you find out the value of root 5, that is approximately 2.24. okay, and then you calculate. So that is area of part 3. So I hope, students, these 2 important questions were your doubts and all of you understood. If you have not subscribed my video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can watch more math videos. Thank you.